just beside the green involves, you have got this green themed kitchen. So what was the idea? What was the whole thought behind this kitchen, and what were you thinking while designing it?
Okay, when actually to say this is a house for two senior people. This entire kitchen has been designed specially keeping in mind her requirements. Your uncle was very much into gardening and auntie was inside and the windows were very high, nobody to admire his garden. So I felt, why not? He should also get more importance.
Even while thinking about this kitchen, we have kept Mishti in mind.
We have kept Mishti in mind. She loves to be here. Mishti can watch the owner from there. We have a transparent wall. So whenever auntie is inside, she closes the door. So she can watch her from the other side. And she's also very happy watching over here on this window, looking outside.
You can say like uncle, auntie and Mishti all are happy?
Yes, uncle, auntie, Mishti and her daughter from Singapore is also very, very happy.
Oh.
Radiance, Sham and the entire team have always been very cooperative with me with the kind of tantrums I throw. But yeah, they have always put up the best in terms of workmanship and what I need and how I have designed my thing. So they stick to whatever I have asked them to do. Yeah, the timelines have been managed. So yeah, I'm very happy with their work and the promptness which they come and get things done. Normally I don't have any repair works. For nearly 4-5 years I've not been having any repair work from any of my kitchens. So a brilliant job done by them.
So thumbs up for Radiance Kitchen and Furniture.
Yes.
You know now where to get such a beautiful kitchen done with Kalpana Ma'am and Radiance Kitchen and Furniture.
Radiance Kitchen and Furniture.